Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner. And what I would like to do is use some things that I found at the Target dollar spot. I found this super cute coasters here that have a strawberry on them. It's for their summer collection. And then I found this set of napkins that went along with it. So I'm going to be cutting apart the napkins and using a glue stick here. I just have a Scotch glue stick to glue it down. And then I have two washies that I found in my stash. I have this really cute gingham and then this green stripe. And then I will pull some stickers from this Create 365 sticker book. I'll probably use some of the green and some of the red. So let me get this stuff cleared off and we'll get started. Alright guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out really super cute. I say super cute a lot, I realize that, but I just really love the colors. That's so bright and cheerful, and I love strawberries. I love them to eat, and I love them in paper and whatever. So hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.